Hello, this is Nevis again, and I'm in the Moodle Mooc 9 area. I'm still on week 3 because I'm now up to doing the last bit, which is the tutorial for blocks as a manager. What I've done is I've also gone into my manager practice area right over here. So here I am in the manager practice area, and I'm ready to go in and actually go ahead and document my work by preparing this video. So what I'm going to do is add my name to a topic, add or delete a blocks as I document my work. So I'll add a block and then I'll delete the block that I'm adding. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic. As a manager, I will have rights as editing the course settings. Obviously, I'm not going to make any changes there. And here's a video that Dr. Nellie has prepared that I've already looked at, and which is always important to look at videos that Dr. Nellie prepares because they magically show you what you should be doing. Oh, what I want to show you is this first. On the Moodle website, the Australian Moodle website, you can find a page on understanding just what managing blocks is all about as a manager. So as a manager of blocks, you can, as an administrator or manager, you can manage Moodle's blocks, including any contributed blocks that have been added, so any other plugins, for example. And it goes through explaining exactly what they are, and you can protect blocks from being deleted. You can delete blocks that you no longer want to use, etc. And these are the block capabilities. So reading this is also important to have a look at before you go on. So the first thing I need to do now is turn editing on. So now there's a few topics. Topic 15 is though. Okay, so topic 15 is empty. So first thing I'm going to do is give my topic a label. So I'm going to edit. Section name will be font color. Let's make it okay, I'm just going to give it a color name. So the name will be red. Background color, let's make that what goes well with red. White does, but that's already there. Let's change the background. Let's make it light blue. Let's see if that'll show up. And I'm not going to restrict access to that. No restriction. Okay, save changes. So that's the first thing that has to be done. And there it is, blocks as a manager, and there's the light blue background. Okay, what I need to do is actually add a block, right? So these are activities, and I don't need to add an activity, do I? I need to actually add a block. So how do we do that? Interesting. So cancel that because I'm not adding those, but I'm going to add a block. And here it is down here, see? Magic. So let's go and try and see what I can add as a block. Well, there are so many here. Okay, so I can add an activity results, attendance, a blog menu, blog tags, catalogue. Catalogue, that would be interesting. Has anyone added a catalogue? Checklist, comments, community finder, competence grid, completion progress, completion status, enrollment timer, Exhibit portfolio, feedback, global search. Sounds interesting. So, private files, progress bar, that's already been added in by Dr. Nellie. So, a search forum sounds interesting. How about, global search sounds interesting. So, where's it gone? There it is there. So, global searching is not enabled. Oh, let's try and see if we can configure. All right, we're going to go see what it looks like, but it hasn't been enabled, so we may not be able to look and see how it actually, well, I can actually move it. There we go. Did it go there? Yes. So I moved it to under add a block. I can't do much else with it. That's strange. Let's see what it looks like when I turn editing off. Oh, someone's put in a Wikipedia. That looks good. Global search is not enabled, so I can't use it for anything. Okay. So I'm going to go and turn that off. Turn editing on. I'm going to go get rid of that one and put another one up that works so we can see how it works. I'll add another block. Let's see if I can find a block. What about a feedback block? Let's hope this works. All right, let's try this one. And there it is there. Okay, feedback block looks good. Settings, configure, see if there's anything I can configure about it, but don't think so. So, all right, nothing much different. What I need to do now is turn editing off, and so we'll see what it looks like in this area. Permissions. Okay, so the permissions, risk roles, okay, add a new feedback block, edit a block settings, view block, back to block feedback. Let's go back. Okay, I've played around with this enough, so I know basically what I'm going to delete the feedback block. Okay, so yes. And another thing that I am going to do is while editing is still on, see, it's red, so it means I've still got editing rights. I'm going to actually go there and remove the section. Okay, and I'm going to remove that, blocks as a manager, and I'm going to put default section, and it'll come back as topic 15 again. So I've removed any sign of me being in here. Oh, what did I forget to do? Look at that. The colors are wrong. Let's go back in and edit the colors. So all I'm going to do is remove, and topic 15 will go back to exactly as Dr. Nellie had set up originally. No, it didn't. That's strange. Font color white, and I think it's blue. Let's try this. That's a dark blue. Let's go and have a look at topic 13 and see what the default section name, and there's no color, so I'm not going to be able to put it back to the way it was. Cancel. I don't want to make any changes there. So I'm not able to change that back to the blue that I thought, but not to worry. At least I've gotten rid of my work. Thank you for listening.